You're watching the News Hour Agenda with me, Padmaja Joshi. It would actually be funny if it wasn't so tragic. A riot took place in Karoli district of Rajasthan, and we were told that it was a reaction to provocative religious slogans being raised in a bike rally. But the truth is, this violence was planned, and we've been saying it for the last 5 days. And now we present you even more proof that right at the center of the planning and execution of this violence is Congress-linked independent councillor Matloob Ahmed. We show you how he didn't just plan the riot. Matloob Ahmed was there. He was there himself, in the thick of the action as stones were pelted and men armed themselves with lathis and bricks. The man on your screen, Matloob Ahmed, was there. He was there as shops were burnt. He was there as religious slogans were chanted by armed masked men. Matloob Ahmed was there in the middle of it all. Listen. But Matloob Ahmed wasn't the only one. At least 3 of his friends and family members were also a part of this armed mob. Around them, masked men armed themselves and they comfortably blended in. Worse, in the same frame, you will be able to see policemen who simply look on, casually watch as Matloob and company help the mob burn bikes, shops, people. Policemen are attacked. This is the anatomy of how a riot is prepared, provoked and put into action. But after all of this is on camera, we've shown you the preparation, we've shown you the stockpiling, we've shown you the police's dereliction. Now we show you Matloob and his brothers in the center of it all. But still the Gehlot government says BJP started it.
बीजेपी ने दंगा करवाया, जुलूस लेकर वो उस रास्ते पर ले गए जहाँ सेंसिटिव जोन था। वहाँ पे 43 दुकानें हैं, तो मुसलमानों की जली है और 13 हिंदुओं की जली है। चाहे बीजेपी का आदमी हो, चाहे कांग्रेस का वर्कर हो, यदि वो गलत काम कर रहा है, दंगा भड़काने की कोशिश कर रहा है, तो हम कार्रवाई करेंगे।
जिन लोगों की दुकानें जली, जिन लोगों के वाहन जले, जिन लोगों की चोटें लगी, 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा लोगों ने तो हमारे सामने प्रार्थना पत्र प्रस्तुत किया। आज की तारीख में 1 FIR दर्ज नहीं। इस पूरे हमले में आधा दर्जन से ज्यादा पुलिस कर्मियों के चोट लगी, गंभीर चोट लगी। ये पहला मौका है राजस्थान में पुलिस की तरफ से अपने चोटाग्रस्त लोगों के खिलाफ भी उन्होंने भी 1 FIR दर्ज नहीं कराई। अब तक 1 FIR दर्ज हुई है।
Now here's the thing, if the BJP is involved, let all of the accused be arrested. But the question Mr. Gehlot's government must also answer are, 6 days on, where is the Matloob Ahmed? The man who can be seen on camera leading a riotous mob. Why did the police clearly give a free hand to the rioters? Why are those related to Matloob Ahmed, again clearly seen in the mob, not even mentioned in the FIR? You won't believe this. The man you saw, Mushtaq, another one, Anchu Ahmed, all of them standing in the middle of the mob with lathis, they are not even mentioned in the FIR. And finally, why is there no action against the policemen who again are clearly visible and identified watching as rioters run amok?
You're watching the News Hour at 10. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, joins us along with Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, Dr. Sumansi Raman, political analyst. First question is to Roshni Jaiswal, spokesperson of the Congress. I just want you to take a look at Matloob Ahmed. Roshni ji, Matloob Ahmed is there. He is there. उनके आसपास मास्क पहने हुए, अपने मुंह को ढके हुए लोग लाठी डंडे लेके घूम रहे हैं। मतलूब अहमद वहां पर है। बीजेपी ने फिर दंगे कैसे कराए?
देखिए, अभी तक कोई भी साफ चीजें नहीं हुई हैं कि किसने क्या करवाया, और बीजेपी ने करवाया कि कांग्रेस ने करवाया कि किसी और पार्टी ने करवाया।
मैं आपको दिखा रही हूं मैडम, मतलूब अहमद कांग्रेस का सपोर्ट लेकर के काउंसलर बने हैं। मतलूब अहमद वहां खड़े हुए हैं, उसमें तो कोई शक ही नहीं है। वो आदमी है, वो वहां खड़ा है, उसका नाम मतलूब अहमद है, वो कांग्रेस से रिलेटेड है। आसपास आपके लाठी डंडे चल रहे हैं, वो आदमी उसके बीचों बीच खड़ा हुआ है। इसमें क्लियर क्या नहीं है? ये है मतलूब अहमद आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन पर।
पुलिस प्रशासन पूरी कार्रवाई कर रही है, गहलोत सरकार इस पर पूरी तरह से एक्टिव है, और जितना एक्शन लिया जाना चाहिए
जितना एक्शन
सबके सामने होगा।
जितना एक्शन लिया जाना चाहिए आपको लगता है अगर होगा? मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि 150 लोग उस भीड़ में शामिल थे। 150 लोग। आप मेरे को ये बता दीजिए, आप इतनी संजीदगी से कह रही हैं कि एक्शन हो रहा है, एक्शन होगा। 150 लोग शामिल थे। अभी तक कितने अरेस्ट हुए बताइए?
पूरी कमेटी लगी हुई है इस केस की छानबीन करने के लिए।
मैडम 6 दिन हो गए, 6 दिन हो गए। 4 पुलिस वाले पिटे हैं, उनमें से एक आईसीयू में है। लोगों को छोड़िए, कम से कम पुलिस वालों को जिसने पीटा है, एक को आईसीयू में पहुंचा दिया जयपुर में, उनको तो पकड़ लीजिए। मतलूब अहमद तक को तो पकड़ा नहीं है।
पूरी टीम लगी हुई है। मतलूब अहमद कहाँ है?
क्या करने में लगी है मैडम? क्या करने में लगी है? मुख्यमंत्री कह रहे हैं कि भाजपा दंगा करा रही है।
देखिए,
कैमरे पे मतलूब है, गहलोत जी को मोदी दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
देखिए, गहलोत सरकार को पूरा शक है भाजपा सरकार पे, और उस पर कार्यवाही भी चल रही है कि करवा सकती है, क्योंकि भाजपा दंगे, इसके पहले भी उत्तर प्रदेश की हम बात करें तो किस तरीके के कांड होते हैं, उसमें भाजपा के ही लोग शामिल रहते हैं।
अच्छा,
ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है।
अच्छा, तो ये बताइए संजू वर्मा कि आपने मतलूब अहमद का इस्तेमाल करके कांग्रेस के सपोर्ट से जितवाया, फिर उसको दंगों के बीच में प्लांट कराया, और आपने दंगे करवाए हैं। संजू वर्मा।
Padmaja, first and foremost, let me make this very clear. I've been on this issue on a debate with you a couple of days back. I'll just reiterate a couple of things quickly. The letter from PFI stating that there could be impending violence once Hindus take out a Shobha Yatra in Karoli, that was sent on 31st March 2022. For 48 hours, Ashok Gehlot was sleeping at the wheel. His district magistrate was sleeping at the wheel. The police constabulary was sleeping at the wheel. After the damage had been done, vandalism, arson, loot, etc. On
गहलोत सरकार को बदनाम करने की किस तरीके से साजिश की जा रही है भाजपा के द्वारा, वो साफ दर्शाती हैं संजू वर्मा।
This is not fair, Padmaja. I refuse to speak.
No, this is fair. You are blaming Gehlot Sarkar.
No, Roshni ji, just a second. Roshni ji, if you have something coherent to say, please make a coherent point. आप अभी तक सिर्फ इस बात का जवाब नहीं दे पाए हैं कि 6 दिन से मतलूब अहमद किधर है। पहले दिन आपकी सरकार में हर किसी ने बोला, आज तक वो ये कह रहे हैं कि भाजपा दंगे करा रही है। मतलूब अहमद आपकी स्क्रीन पर है, आप भाजपा का वीडियो दिखाइए। भाजपा में से कौन आदमी जाके वहां दंगे करा रहा था? किसके हाथ में लाठी थी? किसके मुंह पे कपड़ा था? कौन पत्थर फेंकवा रहा था? आप बस ये बता दीजिए रोशनी जी, बस इतना बता दीजिए।
देखिए पद्मजा जी, किसी ने भी अभी तक कोई प्रूफ नहीं दिया है कि कांग्रेस ने ये दंगे करवाए हैं। अपने ही स्टेट में कांग्रेस दंगे करवा के,
अरे मैडम आपको दिखा रही हूँ, ये आदमी जो कि कांग्रेस का समर्थन करता है, काउंसलर जो कि कांग्रेस का समर्थन करता है, दंगों के बीच में खड़ा है। क्या प्रूफ चाहिए आपको? मतलब शॉर्ट
इंसान कांग्रेस का समर्थन करता है, अगर उसने गहलोत सरकार पे ब्लेम करे। करेंगे।
अच्छा, कांग्रेस का कोई समर्थन करता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है। राम भक्त गोपाल एक गन लेकर के आता है जामिया में तो सीधे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, पर मतलूब अहमद जो कि कांग्रेस को सपोर्ट करता है, दंगों के बीचों बीच है, पर कांग्रेस की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। संजू वर्मा, फिनिश योर पॉइंट।
कांग्रेस को सपोर्ट कोई भी कर सकता है।
पद्मजा, you will have to
फिनिश योर पॉइंट। यस संजू वर्मा, फिनिश योर पॉइंट।
थैंक यू। पद्मजा जी, आपने बड़ा सही कहा। जब उत्तर प्रदेश में हाथरस में कोई कांड होता है तो ये सारे कांग्रेसी एक साथ झंडा लेकर सेक्शन 144 का उल्लंघन करके वहां पर वल्चर पॉलिटिक्स खेलने पहुंच जाते हैं, गिद्धों की तरह, गिद्धों की तरह। आई डिड नॉट
बच्ची का शव पेट्रोल छिड़क कर जला दिया जाता है, इसलिए कांग्रेसियों ने हाथरस की बात रहेगा।
प्लीज रोशनी जी, उनको अपनी बात पूरी करने दीजिए। ओनली संजू वर्मा विल स्पीक अंटिल आई से सो। यस, गो ऑन।
पद्मजा जी, कांग्रेस की प्रवक्ता अभी कान खोल के सुन ले। हाथरस में कांड होता है तो कौन जिम्मेवार ठहराता है? आप लोग किसको जिम्मेवार ठहराते थे? योगी आदित्यनाथ को। उन्नाव में कुछ होता था, आपने किसको जिम्मेवार ठहराया? योगी आदित्यनाथ को। रेवाड़ी गैंगरेप में आपने किसको कटघरे में खड़ा किया? एमएल खट्टर की सरकार को। पर जब राजस्थान में कुछ होता है तब हाथ खड़े करके बेशर्मी से, बेहयाई से आप जिम्मेवारी और जवाबदेही तो क्या देंगे, ऊपर से भाजपा पर लांछन लगाते हो। थोड़ी तो शर्म करो। अरे आप सत्ता में हो, सत्ताधारी पार्टी की क्या कोई जवाबदेही नहीं? सत्ताधारी पार्टी की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं? और आपको थोड़ा ज्ञान दे देती हूं। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जहां तक मेरी अंडर द 7th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज अ स्टेट सब्जेक्ट। और जैसा कि पद्मजा जी ने अभी कहा, मतलूब अहमद कांग्रेस का समर्थक है या नहीं, ये बड़ी बात नहीं है। बड़ी बात ये है कि जब आपके पास है कैमरा पर मतलूब अहमद गायब क्यों है? क्या गहलोत सरकार मतलूब अहमद जैसे लोगों को
विवेक श्रीवास्तव
बढ़ावा देती है?
Vivek Srivastava, and the best part is, or rather the most tragic part is that you see this मतलूब अहमद वीडियो, वहां दो पुलिस वाले खड़े हैं और पुलिस वालों में से एक डेप्यूटी एसपी है, वो वहां खड़े हैं, वो देख रहे हैं लोग लाठियां लेकर के जा रहे हैं। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक बिजनेस एज यूजुअल। दंगे हो रहे हैं, गाड़ियां टूट रही हैं, मोटरसाइकिल वहां पड़ी हुई है जमीन पे, पुलिस वाले देख रहे हैं, पुलिस वाले देख रहे हैं, डेप्यूटी एसपी मौके पर है। विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
whatever happened was unfortunate. Whatever happened was yes. Now please let me speak for 30 seconds and then you can counter me. Whatever happened was unfortunate. I am not justifying violence at all. However, when the national culture of the nation under the Honorable Prime Minister of India becomes कि एक भगवा वाला मॉब आएगा और मस्जिद को तोड़ देगा, ये मस्जिद बाबरी मस्जिद हो सकती है, ये मस्जिद अशोक नगर की दिल्ली की मस्जिद हो सकती है, a couple of years back.
What are you talking about, Vivek Srivastava?
Desecrated and Bhagwa was
okay, what is this random angle that you have brought in, sir?
Being desecrated in Delhi.
Can you please answer a simple question? Why is the police present while people with lathis are running around?
There was a defensive Muslim mob. Yes, now please listen to me now.
Yes, okay, let him finish his point, Sanju Verma.
Muslim mob over there which felt threatened that their masjid is going to be broken.
So they stockpiled lathis on their rooftop. So they kept sacks of bricks on their rooftop.
No. It was no. It's not that. It's not that. It is what is happening today is a result of the fear mongering done by the Hindutva crowd.
Sir, are you seriously suggesting that rioting is a valid response to feeling threatened?
Rioting was
You feel
instigated by the
threatened?
BJP
You stab
and the
someone.
Hindutva crowd to give the Gehlot government a bad name. It
Who
was
is
done deliberately.
Who is giving
This
Gehlot
trouble
government a
was
bad
done
name?
by the Hindutva gang
Who
to
is
give
giving
the
Gehlot government a bad name? Who is giving Gehlot
Obviously the
government a
BJP,
bad
who
name?
else?
Who?
The BJP.
Who in this
BJP.
video is from the BJP?
BJP wants to give it.
Let's
The
just
BJP
have
wants
Vivek
to instigate.
Srivastava and this video. Vivek Srivastava,
Let's see.
name me
The
in this
crowd-
video who is from
Yes,
the BJP.
Yes, I'll tell you.
In
I'll
this
tell you,
video,
I'll
who
tell
is
you.
from the BJP?
I'll tell you.
Tell me.
The Muslims who gathered over there were scared because they were threatened that their masjid is going to be broken.
So you stab
That is
people.
the main thing.
So you
no
stab people.
corporator, no councillor,
You
no
feel
MLA,
threatened.
no MP
Tomorrow
is ever
you
going to
will
come,
feel threatened, Vivek
ever
Srivastava.
going
You
to
will go
come.
out and stab people.
And you know, once he is in power, he is holding a position. उसको क्या पड़ी है? अपनी पोजीशन को खराब करने की।
तब तो फिर ऐसे ही करते हैं। Let's have a free for all in this country. You feel threatened, you will pelt stones. Someone else feels threatened, they will pelt stones back. Then why is the police there? Police is sitting there because it's a nice show.
Free for all is bad. Free for all is bad.
It is literally what happened. I want you to listen again. Just hold on for a second before Sanju Verma responds. I want you to listen again to exactly what happened. And Vivek Srivastava's explanation is that this is the reaction of people who felt threatened because they felt that they would be attacked. Here is what the threatened response was. Listen. Sanju Verma felt threatened, reacted like this.
You know, Padmaja, इस देश में हुआ मुसलमान, ये जो पूरा narrative है, you know, I want to completely nail this narrative. The fact of the matter is that in the recent past, I'm talking specifically of, you know, the worst riots that happened in Shaheen Bagh from December 2019 to March 2020, and then we had the Bengaluru riot in August 2020. Please, it's not your turn, Vivek. I did not interrupt you. Beat the Shaheen Bagh riots, beat the Bengaluru riots of August 2020. What is common? Shaheen Bagh had the support of the Congress dispensation. They were hailing Umar Khalid as some kind of a hero, shiro, martyr, what have you. Then the August 2020 Bengaluru riot, who's responsible? Tawseef Pasha, an ex-congressman, Sampath Raj, an ex-Congress mayor. तो कांग्रेस का हाथ जहां जहां दंगा होता है, ये तो साबित हो चुका है. What has happened in Karoli, I will say, is Shaheen Bagh 2.0 or maybe Shaheen Bagh 3.0. I simply want to end by saying this. Forget what Sanju Verma is saying. Forget the videos being shown by Times Now or what Padmaja Joshi is saying. You look at what DGP Rajasthan ML Lather said. You see what the district magistrate of Karoli, Rajendra Shekhawat, has said. And you hear out what Hawa Dhumaria, the ADG Law and Order of Rajasthan, तीनों बड़े दिग्गज पुलिस ऑफिसर और IAS ऑफिसर हैं. They have said this incident was avoidable.
Sumansi Raman.
Padmaja.
Yes.
First of all, one question, Padmaja.
Yes, go on.
Have you handed these tapes over to the SIT who are investigating?
Yes, sir, they already have these tapes. That is the beauty. The SIT already has these tapes. You would be shocked to know. So let me tell you, sir, one of these videos is actually shot by a policeman.
You have these tapes.
They were right there. They were shooting it and they did nothing about it.
One second.
Go on.
1 second.
Yes.
Let me repeat my question. Now, if you handed over these tapes to them, then they will have no way of saying that we don't have those tapes. So why is it that you are so reluctant to hand over these tapes to the SIT? What is the
We are
problem?
not reluctant in the least.
Why
We
not
are not
do it?
reluctant in the least. The police has these tapes, sir.
Wait. So you will be handing over these tapes to the special investigating team.
I think you haven't been able to hear me. The police has these tapes. One of these, you finished listening to me, Mr. Raman. You finished listening to me. One of these 3 videos is shot by the police, and yet they did not even mention these men in the FIR, the men who they have themselves recorded during the riot.
Can I finish?
Yes,
now,
finish.
You say that the police shot these videos.
One of
now,
them.
Assuming,
Yes.
1 minute. Assuming the police say we don't have these videos. What is it that prevents the police from saying we don't have these videos? Or we don't, Times Now has not given it to us, somebody has shot it. Why is Times Now reluctant to hand over this?
Times Now is not reluctant. I welcome you.
you will do it.
I welcome you. We will send it. If asked, we will send it. The thing is, they don't want it. They haven't asked for it. We will anyway send it. Just to calm you and just to put your mind to rest. But what is your point, sir? I am unable to understand your point. You have somehow foisted a reluctance on Times Now, which we don't have. What is your point?
My point is very simple. This seems to be more about making noise on air against the Rajasthan government than actually punishing the guilty. If the intention was to punish the guilty, what should have been done? These states must have been
Dr. Raman, other than your analysis of our intention, can you please answer my simple question? Don't worry about our intention. If you say so, if you think the Gehlot government needs our help, despite the presence of their own policemen at the spot of the rioting, I will go the extra mile for you. And today I will tag the Rajasthan police on one of our own clips, because you have a very low opinion of the Rajasthan police. You think they can't see what is happening in front of their eyes. They need us to help them. I will do it. That being said, as a supporter and defender of Mr. Gehlot, can you please answer, why have 3 men seen in the riot videos in the presence of the police not been named in the FIR? Simple question.
Now, these are men who, according to this video, are supposed to be part of the riot, right? Rioters. So logically,
you don't think they're a part of the rioting mob?
I don't know. Based on the video, you should send it to the SIT. The police is carrying out the investigation.
You can see these videos. Do you think these men are a part of the rioting mob? Yes or no? You can see these videos, sir, as a lay person. As a lay person, as a very analytical person, do you think these men look suspicious and they deserve to be in an FIR?
For the police to complete the investigation. Point number 1.
Okay, so you do not think that men who are in the middle of a mob where people are running around with handkerchiefs on their face and lathis in their hands deserve to be named in an FIR?
1 minute, Padmaja. You don't want to wait for the police to complete their investigation.
No, I want to come in.
You have quote unquote evidence available with you which you don't want to give to the SIT because ostensibly they must already be having this and therefore we don't want to give it. So what is the objective? The objective is to have a debate and blame Mr. Ashok Gehlot and the Congress government in Rajasthan.
So here's the thing. You have made a superb point. You have made a superb point. You think that we just want to make a noise. We don't want to wait for the police to finish their investigation, right? You want us to wait for the police to finish their investigation? Dr. Raman?
And ask them,
you want
what action have you taken on the basis of these steps?
Okay. Now let me tell you. The thing is that an investigation happens on the basis of what is mentioned in the FIR. In the FIR, at least 3 of the men, Anshu Ahmed,
every investigation,
Mushtaq, and the man in the green t-shirt are not even named in the FIR.
Yes,
what will they investigate when they don't have these men in the FIR?
By taking this video to the SIT and making sure that these 3 men are named.
Well, then I have to say the lapse is on our part. I did not realize for the last 6 days that it was our responsibility to carry out an investigation, then go to the Karoli police and say, sir, दंगे जब हो रहे थे, ये 3 आदमी जो यहाँ खड़े हैं, शायद इन पे FIR आपको करना चाहिए. Then I have to say the lapse is totally on our part. You know, it is that you're absolutely right there. Sanju Verma.
Yes.
Padmaja, I think personally the problem is that when you legitimize, anti-social elements, when you legitimize anti-national elements, you are inviting trouble. I just want to ask Ashok Gehlot dispensation one simple question. What was the need to allow PFI to carry out a unity march
according to us, the BJP is
February
anti-social.
2022
and that
in
whole
Kota? Don't you know PFI is a radical Islamist organization which is
best known
Why
for
don't you
spreading
ban
hate.
PFI?
And then,
Every
one of your ministers
month we have one debate. Ban PFI. Why is PFI doing this? PFI doing that?
I did not interrupt.
Madam, you answer my question. Why is PFI not being banned?
I did
Instead
not
of just
interrupt
being
Mr.
used
Suman
conveniently
Singh
on debates to be
without
blamed.
being heckled, Padmata.
Who is to ban PFI?
Sir,
Why is
leave
Centre not
PFI
acting?
for a second. Let's not
Why is
sidetrack
Centre
into
not acting?
PFI
May I
because the
please-
PFI debate goes down a very familiar, comfortable trajectory for
May I-
you. Simple question
Very
is,
comfortable
why
because-
isn't Mushtaq
because
named in the
they are
FIR?
very
Let's see
big
Mushtaq on screen.
laptop.
Let's see Mushtaq on screen. Mushtaq is here standing in the middle of a mob where men are running around with sticks in their hand. From the roof, stones are being pelted. Why isn't Mushtaq in the FIR? Simple question.
know he's Mushtaq.
Why isn't he there? Why isn't he there, Ms. Dr. Sumansi Raman?
No, is he? You know that he is Mushtaq, right?
Yes, we know he's Mushtaq.
You know.
Yes.
How do you know he is Mushtaq?
Because we have a reporter and we did a thorough investigation, which we
very good,
really
very
wish
good.
the police would have done.
So
But
the cause of
we
justice
took
will
your
be served
advice.
if
We
your
sensed
reporter
that you had this
leads
longing in your heart
and hands
that
over
Times
evidence.
Now should go out and
You
investigate
won't
what
do that.
happened.
You won't
And we
do
went,
that. But you
we
will
looked
put
at
out
the
a video.
videos, we
Say this
identified
man
the
is
people.
Mushtaq because my reporter says he is Mushtaq.
No, this
and
is
ask why is Mushtaq not in the FIR?
Okay, Sanju Verma. You know, Dr. Sumansi Raman, you can't have it both ways. First, you pin these hopes on Times Now and say, why isn't Times Now investigating? Then we investigate and we find Mushtaq. You're like, why is Times Now blaming Mushtaq? Because Mushtaq is there, Dr. Raman. We couldn't make Mushtaq disappear. Mushtaq was there. Just like Matloob was there. Dr. Raman, let Dr. Raman quickly respond to that. He's very
I will
agitated.
support them. I will support you when you say 1 week later you do a debate. I will support you when you say, ask them the question. Look, we gave you these tapes. What action has been taken against this man in the video? And they say, no, he is not in the FIR. We don't know who he is. Then you can blame the Rajasthan police.
Okay.
No.
All right, Sanju Verma. We will wait till Times Now spearheads this investigation and
Because
then we will
you
ask
say
questions.
This is evidence.
You know, it's funny though.
Please,
Sanju Verma. Let Sanju Verma respond, then I'll come back. Yes.
Padmaja, you know, who's the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot? Who's the Home Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot? I simply want to ask, does the state Chief Minister, does the state Home Minister have no accountability? I mean, look at Ashok Gehlot. As Padmaja said in his introduction, this whole thing would be so funny had it not been so tragic. Ashok Gehlot has the audacity to say, ये मोदी अमित शाह आग लगा रहे हैं, दंगे करवा रहे हैं, हिंदू मुस्लिम करवा रहे हैं. Right from the Hashimpura riots to the Bhagalpur riots to the Aligarh riots of 2006 to the Dhule riots of 2008 to the Deganga riots of 2010 to the Pokrajhar riots of 2012 to the Muzaffarnagar riots of 2013. They have all happened under the long nose of the Congress. So the Congress cannot simply take the moral high ground.
Vivek Srivastava.
दंगा करवाने में कांग्रेस सबसे आगे है लाइन में.
And by the way, Vivek Srivastava, if the entire country and Rajasthan in particular and Dr. Raman were waiting for Times Now to investigate, then how did Ashok Gehlot run
No, it's not
to
that.
quickly
See,
blame the BJP for starting the riots? He was
Padmaja, Times
unequivocal
Now
and
is
he
a
was clear.
responsible channel.
He needed no
Let
investigation.
me
He was
speak.
like, BJP aaye,
Please listen
dange
to me now.
karwaye.
Please listen to me now.
He had decided on day one.
Nobody is nobody. जी सुनिए मेरी बात. Now Times Now is the responsible. Let me speak. Times Now is the responsible channel, and we are not trying to doubt your investigation. However, there are so many
Flattered.
channels in this country, so many YouTube channels. There is such a big social media network that I mean, I'm telling you, you are in a very old business house in the business of journalism, so we respect you. However, let's follow the rules. We cannot allow any TV channel or any YouTube channel or any newspaper to just come out with videos or photographs which are not authenticated by the SIT or by the police of the state, and then you suddenly come and start demanding arrest of people. That means you are just simply going in for a rhetoric. It is wrong. And as far as second point, please Sanju Verma, listen to me. Secondly, अगर आपको राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट को क्वेश्चन करना है, you should also question अमित शाह because of Delhi riots. Delhi riots के लिए अमित शाह को क्वेश्चन करिए, Delhi riots के लिए दिल्ली पुलिस को क्वेश्चन करिए, Delhi riots राइट्स के लिए दिल्ली के एलजी को क्वेश्चन करिए. You don't question him. And here the RSS, Bajrang Dal, Hindu Wahani combination goes and tries to create a ruckus.
यहाँ पर तो leave alone the investigation.
All over the country.
Leave alone the investigation. In the Delhi riots, nobody in the Delhi police jumped up and said Tahir Hussain is innocent. Tahir Hussain ने कुछ नहीं किया. यहाँ पर already people have stood up and said that nobody here is involved. There are people who are not even named.
There was a very biased.
Clean chits have been given out. Based on what?
300 people mentioned in the charge sheet are out.
Based on what?
Let me tell you that.
Answer about Karoli, sir. Don't try and sidestep into Delhi riots, Falana riots, Dhamaka riots. Answer about Karoli.
I'm not sidestepping it.
Answer about Karoli and answer about Matloob Ahmed. Where is Matloob Ahmed? It is shocking. It is shocking, Roshni Jaiswal, that in this day and age of surveillance, of being able to track people's movement, 6 days on, a man who was in the middle of a riot has gone missing and nobody knows where he is. 6 days in this day and age. 6 days.
He is still not an accused.
Roshni Jaiswal.
Still not an accused.
Padmaja ji, my question is, राजस्थान में गहलोत की सरकार में, राइट, गहलोत जी अपने ही प्रदेश में दंगा क्यों करवाएंगे और दंगा करवाने से उन्हें क्या मिलेगा? बीजेपी इतने बुलशिट जो ब्लेम्स लगा रही है कांग्रेस पे कि कांग्रेस ने ही दंगे करवाए और कांग्रेस को फायदा है या कांग्रेस ने ऐसा करके ऐसा किया. अगर मैं कह दूं कि अगर कांग्रेस ने किसी और स्टेट पे अगर आप एक बार सवाल खड़ा करते हैं तो एक बार फिर भी मानने लायक होता है, लेकिन राजस्थान में कांग्रेस की सरकार है और कांग्रेस पहले ही बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में हमारी सरकारें नहीं है.
ओके, बताइए संजू वर्मा, फायदा किसको होता है दंगे करवा के अपने राज्य में? कांग्रेस को तो कुछ फायदा होगा नहीं, फायदा आपको होगा. हेंस इट फॉलोज टू रीजन कि आप दंगे करवा रहे हैं. अपने राज्य में कौन दंगे कराएगा?
पद्मजा जी, आप और मैं, ओके रोशनी जी, मैंने आपकी बात सुन ली, मैंने आपको टोका नहीं. प्लीज पद्मजा, आई डिड नॉट डिस्टर्ब हर, आई डिड नॉट हेकल हर. पद्मजा जी, आप और मैं सांस ले रहे हैं, इसके लिए भी जिम्मेवार कौन है? हमको आरएसएस को बदनाम करना चाहिए, मोदी सरकार को बदनाम करना चाहिए. जब हाथरस में दंगा होता है या कोई घटना होती है, आप किसको दोषी करार देते हो? योगी आदित्यनाथ को ना. तो जब राजस्थान में कोई दंगा होता है तो अशोक गहलोत को दोषी दिया जाए, इस सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. और दूसरी बात यह है कि आपके खुद सीनियर पुलिस ऑफिसर डीजीपी राजस्थान, उन्होंने पब्लिकली एक स्टेटमेंट दिया. जो हुआ वो अवॉइड किया जा सकता था. पुलिस के पास सूचना थी, जानकारी थी, पर पुलिस ने उस सूचना पर अहम कदम नहीं उठाए, जिसके चलते दंगाइयों को खुली छूट मिल गई. नेशनल टीवी पर आकर अपना मजाक मत बनाइए.
पहले कदम नहीं उठाए. द बिगर क्वेश्चन नाउ रिमेन्स कि अब कदम क्यों नहीं उठाए जा रहे हैं? इफ पीपल आर क्लियरली ऑन कैमरा, व्हाई आर दे नॉट इन दिस FIR? एंड दोज हु आर इन द FIR, why are they not in jail unless that is the plan? Thanks very much, both gentlemen, Sanju Verma and Roshni ji, for having joined me.